sushi simply doesn't seem complete without a side of pickled ginger, also known as gari. This garnish is sweet, spicy, and often served as a palate cleanser. Ginger or gingerbread officinale is a root that's native to Asia. For thousands of years, it has been used in traditional medicines and cooking. Pickled ginger, which is steeped in vinegar and spices, has a variety of nutritional benefits. Today's video will discuss the benefits of pickled ginger. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Low in calories. One health benefit of pickled ginger is its low calories content. 2 tablespoons or 28 grams has just 20 calories. Additionally, because pickled ginger has a strong flavor, you don't need much to enjoy it, so eating this garnish won't pile on the calories too quickly. Number 2. Not a bit of fat. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, pickled ginger has 0 grams of total fat. It is also free of saturated fat, unhealthy fat that should make up not more than 5 to 6% of your daily caloric intake. A diet high in saturated fat can increase your blood cholesterol levels. Number 3. Low in sodium. While pickled ginger is made with a brine of vinegar and salt, the finished product is low in sodium. 1 tablespoon may contain 65 to 250 milligrams, depending on the manufacturer. This is significantly less than other condiments that pair well with sushi, such as soy sauce, which has 1,110 milligrams of sodium in 1 tablespoon. The recommended daily intake of sodium is less than 2,300 milligrams, but the average American consumes more than 3,400 milligrams each day. A diet high in sodium increases the risk of high blood pressure, one of the major risk factors of heart disease. Number 4. Plenty of probiotics. As a fermented food, pickled ginger offers good bacteria called probiotics. These live microbes are beneficial for intestinal balance and digestive health. A 2014 review in Biotechnology Research International shares that probiotics also enhance gastrointestinal functions, improve immunity, and lower the risk of colon cancer. Pickled ginger that has been fermented for a long time typically has a higher probiotic content. Number 5. Important gingerols. The main active components in ginger are called gingerols. These phenolic compounds or plant compounds are responsible for many of ginger's antioxidants, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory benefits. Gingerols also contribute to the high nutritional quality of foods made with ginger, such as pickled ginger. Have you ever known the benefits of pickled ginger? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.